Hey friends, it's Natalia. Welcome back to She Makes 31. In today's video, I'm sharing how I decorated my kitchen for the fall season. And I also have my favorite coffee drink that I've been drinking lately. I'm going to share a little recipe on that. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, my friends, I'm gonna get started here. I did make a few changes. I did move this bread box, has always been here, and I moved it here. And here is all of the decor that I'm going to be adding. Real exciting stuff here. Lots of fun items to decorate with. One of the neat things I got is actually this mug holder from, it's a little tree, mug tree. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace, but they sell it actually at Target. It's from the Hearth and Hand. So I love the brass on that. And then I also got this on Marketplace, and it's this cake stand, this wood cake stand. I already had the glass dome, so I'm going to put that on top. I love the combination there. So yeah, let's get started. One of the first things I wanted to get out of the way was adding this garland to the top of my cabinets. I do have eye hooks that I have attached on top of these cabinets for decorating for Christmas and for fall. So these garlands are some I got at Joann's a couple of years back. And then I wanted to change out my wreath this year. I've always had like the same gold ring wreath for a while that I DIY'd a few years back, but I wanted to try something different. I had these eucalyptus garlands that I got at Joann's a couple of years back, and I wanted to see if I could utilize them to create a wreath. A nice simple one, not too complicated, but I attached this to the metal hoop with some zip ties from Dollar Tree. So I will end up showing you what it looks like, but I did end up changing it out because I felt like the color of the eucalyptus leaves just was not going with the garland that I had above my cabinets. But nonetheless, this is a DIY that you can try out yourself. And next I am setting up my fall coffee bar. I was so excited to get this set up. I wanted to do something different this year, so I opened up this space here next to my coffee maker in order to set this up. For my base, I added this wooden cutting board, and I wanted to place a little fall arrangement here. I got these picks at Hobby Lobby this year. They're so cute in this little vase from Target Dollar Spot to hide the outlet. I also enjoy a cup of tea during the fall season, so this cute little canister from Michael's is where I store my tea bags. And this year I decided to put my Keurig coffee pods inside of this glass pumpkin from the Target Dollar Spot. They also have these at Hobby Lobby if you're looking for them. I love these little stackable bowls that I got from Target. I love the colors. They're just so beautiful. Like the stoneware is totally my, look that I love for this year. So I'm adding these here to just add a little pop of color and some texture. I decided to use this copper pumpkin tray as a backdrop here because I really love the way that it stands out and it makes it shine a bit, and the texture and everything is just awesome. And next to this little coffee station, I'm adding, of course, my coffee mugs with my new mug tree. So I do have these copper mugs that I've got a few years ago from Target. This is, you know, for cold drinks, so not for coffee necessarily, but it does tie in with the copper on the pumpkin. And then these new mugs, look how pretty these are from Walmart actually. And they are this beautiful stoneware. They have them in a lighter color and a darker color. I just love these. I love to be able to display these mugs here. It looks so cute. Next, I'm moving on to this corner of my kitchen. I usually style a tiered tray here in this corner, but I wanted to do something different and I wanted to use the tiered tray in the playroom for Halloween, which will be my next video for inside decorating. But yeah, I wanted to do something different here. So I have the cake dome that I got. I wanted to be able to display like baked goods in here. I like to bake for the boys during the holidays, and wanted to display my cookbook here. This is the Beautiful Boards book. I love this book for creating and styling charcuterie boards. And then my favorite find so far this year is this beautiful candle lamp. It comes with a timer if you want it. You can dim it, you can make it brighter. I love putting my Bath and Body Works candles on here, and I use this every single day, and it makes my house smell wonderful at all times, and it just lasts so much longer than burning my candles the traditional way. I don't know about you, but I do not enjoy doing the dishes. So anything that can make it fun, like scented soaps, pumpkin apple here from Bath and Body Works, and my Mrs. Meyer's cleaner, anything to make it fun. Like a new pumpkin spice latte sponge, I'm all for it, and I just love how cute it looks here. For this corner of my kitchen, I wanted to keep it pretty simple. This is my main area of dinner prep, so I wanted to keep it nice and clear. So I just added a little bud vase and a fall spatula. And can you believe that I actually bought a mushroom last year from Target? I don't know what I was thinking, but I decided I'm gonna leave it right here in this corner. And right by the entryway here of my kitchen, I'm putting up my pumpkin pie sign. This is one that I DIY'd a few years back. And now it's time for coffee. You guys, this recipe is one that I found on TikTok. It's supposedly viral, so I wanted to try it out myself. I got about 6 ounces of water and then this Nescafe Gold Espresso, the blonde roast. This stuff is amazing. You guys, I put about 3 tablespoons in my water, And you know, I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it because I've never really heard good things about instant coffee. I kind of just figured it was watered down muck, but this stuff is amazing, and it's 100% coffee. So you put in your coffee and then you use a frother, and this creates such a beautiful foam on your coffee. It just looks beautiful. It looks like you got it and you ordered it from, you know, a barista. So you could be your own barista here. After you froth it, you add your ice. And if you're wondering, this glass is one that I got at Walmart, and I absolutely love it for all of my iced coffees. So for the creamer, if you don't have a Wawa near you, I am very sorry, but they have the best creamers that you can order, and you can get them directly from them. This is hazelnut, and then I also have French vanilla. And yes, I do put quite a bit in here. That's just the way I like it. And if you want pumpkin spice latte, you can do that with some pumpkin creamer, add a little cinnamon. You can basically adapt this to be whatever you want it to be. So after you add your cream in, you give it a good swirl, and that's it. It's ready. Oh man, this is so good. 100% ready. I got these little mini donuts at Target for the boys. I thought it would be so cute to display them here. It was so funny. My husband saw them. He's like, "Are those real?" Because they look fake. They're so cute with the little mini size, but perfect for the boys. So yeah, I'll be putting some baked goods in here, but for now we have these store-bought ones. Walmart also has these, by the way. So super fun idea for the kids. All right, my friends, here is my fall kitchen for 2024. All right, my friends, I hope that you enjoyed this video and got some ideas for your own kitchen. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.